Hey everyone. Today I am here with an update to my temporal stabilization node group. Um, I was recently notified that this channel here, VFX by Tito, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. He made a tutorial basically covering my exact process for this node group in Blender, but he created it in Nuke instead, based off of my old tutorial. Anyway, that when I got the notification for that, it just sort of reminded me, hey, I should probably go back and see if there were some things that I could improve about my old node group, and there are a few improvements. Notably, now, we have this dilation and erosion and smoothing going on. So let me cover those. So originally, one problem that I had with sort of these masks, and I'm just going to turn everything off, that you see it gets greater than the threshold value, is that these areas of where things would change a lot between frames would just have these very harsh black edges. And if I plug that into the output here, you'll notice, depending on how fast things move through the frame, you'll start getting this haloing effect around the edges. And you don't want that. It's very, it's an ugly artifact. It's not super noticeable in motion, but it's probably something you still want to get rid of. And dilating, or I guess in this case erosion, because we're making the black parts bigger, helps to eliminate some of those harsher edges, since it's basically it's expanding the mask a little bit, and it's doing it. I'm using the feather option, which smooths it out. If I were to set it to something like threshold, then you'll notice it has very harsh edges. And I mean, that doesn't look too bad, but you can still notice those edges. And I find feather does a nice and smooth job of keeping those edges at bay. I also added a soften factor just to add even more smoothness to it so that it's less obvious. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it now. Oh yeah, it's also available from the asset browser, so you can just drag it right into your scene. You don't have to worry about appending it or whatever. You just drag it right in. It'll be available under utilities, and so you just put that in, put the blend file in where you put your assets, and you'll be able to just drag it right in to your scene. You will still have to render out your entire animation first before doing this, because it needs the information from previous and next frames. And, Cycles doesn't have any way to access that kind of stuff while rendering. So you'll still need to do that. But, all in all, I think, this is actually a really simple and easy to use setup. And, yeah, I hope y'all find it useful. Thank you.